Fried chicken, but make it healthy. Let me show you how to make these delicious, crispy and succulent air fried chicken wings. So I start off by prepping my ingredients. I've got about half of a brown onion, some fresh thyme sprigs, some scotch bonnet, some spring onion and also some garlic. And you just want to loosely chop these because we're about to grind them all down in our food processor. Add them to your food processor. Add some lemon juice, some allspice, a bit of oil, and just grind this down until you get a paste like you see here. Now we're going to season some clean chicken wings. I've got some black pepper, garlic granules, all-purpose, garlic salt, some oil, which is helpful for massaging those seasonings into your chicken wings, and finally that green paste that we just made. And then you want to mix everything together thoroughly. Now to make the coating for the fried chicken, add some flour, some corn flour, some black pepper, some garlic granules, some all-purpose and some salt to a bowl and mix it all together. Then you just want to coat your chicken wings in that flour mix and chuck them into an air fryer. Air fry for 30 minutes with a drizzle of oil on 185 degrees Celsius and turn it halfway through. And before you know it, you're going to have these golden, crispy, air-fried chicken wings. These are going to be the perfect starter for any barbecue this summer. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.